Sorry, I have a problem with my Zoom. I don't know what happened because it stopped. Okay, so let's continue. Suddenly it is stopped. It was stopped. Stop, are you okay? Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so I will share my screen to you so that we can have review first before we will have proceed a regular test. Okay, so please ready, get your pen and paper so that we can answer also for the regular test after this review. Okay. This is only 5 to 6 slide, I think, and then we will have a regular test. Then I will give you for the 5 minutes to review also. So here, look at. Okay, circle the correct picture for each letter. Again, circle the correct picture of each letter. Okay, what is that? Okay, first, what is that on first? Okay, what is that first? We have alligator. Again, what is that? Alligator. Again, alligator. Okay, letter A is alligator. Next, what is this? Letter B.
Is for banana. C
Okay,
is for
very good, banana. Next, what is that?
dog. E is for
Cat.
elephant. F is for F.
F is for? Okay, F is for fork. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. You are all correct. Okay, so next, let's move on. Okay, so here we have review structures. Again, review structures. So here, what is this? I, see, and go.
Apple. Elephant. Egg.
Okay, very good. Next.
I see a banana.
I have again, I have a
Banana. Bag. Car. Hat.
okay, I have a banana, bag, so what is this?
Car.
Car, yes, very good. And we have, what is that?
Hat.
Cap. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, let's move on.
I have.
It is, again, it is an.
This is a. Alligator. Alligator.
It is an alligator.
And
it is an alligator. It is, what is that? It is. What is that? It is ant. Okay, how about this?
I don't know.
It is an envelope. Again, it is enveloped. Okay, very good. How about this? It is an elbow. Again,
elbow,
it is an elbow. Okay, very good. Okay, next, let's move on. What is that? It is a...
this is a dog, duck, frog,
Okay,
Fish.
it is a
dog,
dog, duck. Here, what is this?
frog,
Frog. How about
Bat.
that? Fish. Okay, very good. Okay, complete and say. Okay, I see
bus,
I see
I
a bus. Okay, very good. Next, it
I
is
see the
a...
farmer. This is a farm.
Okay, it is a farm. Very good. Okay, next, what is that?
This is a crocodile.
It is alligator.
Alligator.
Again, it is alligator. Very good. Next,
I see the cat.
I have... Go.
The cat.
Okay, I have a
Cat.
cat. Again, I have a cat. Okay, next, I see a...
I see a bird.
Okay, I see a bird. Very good. Next.
I see a duck.
No. Look at first. It
I have
is...
a duck.
Again, one more. It
This
is...
is a duck.
Again, it is...
This is a duck. This is duck.
Okay. It is a duck. Okay, next.
This is an apple.
It is an apple. Oh, good. It is an apple.
This is an apple.
Again, one more. It is...
This is an apple.
Again, listen carefully. It
Yes.
is...
It is apple.
Okay, it is an apple. Okay, next, I have... Again, I have... Go, what is this? I have a...
Dog.
Very good. I have a dog. Okay, so please do not forget that because we will have a regular test now. Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Oh, are you sure? Are you ready for a regular test?
Yes.
Okay, before we will start with our regular test, what are the lessons that you have learned? Again, what are the lessons that you have learned? One more, what are the lessons that you have learned?
A, C, B.
Yes, E, B, again. E, B,
A, C,
C, D, go.
C, A, B, C, D,
E, F,
E, F,
again, E, F, again, E, F, E, F, G.
E.
No, EF. So that's only EF. Okay. So before we will start, A is for
Cũng như chị vậy. Lộn đứa là
again. A is for go.
Okay.
Okay. We will have a review first. A is for
A is for apple
yes.
and A.
Okay, just only one. B is for
B is for banana.
okay. B is for banana. C is
D
for
is for car.
okay. C is for car. How about D?
D.
Yes, D
D
is for
D is for I don't know.
D is for dog.
No.
D is for dog or what is that? D is for duck. So we have dog, we have duck also. Again. Again, D is for dog or D is for duck. Okay, next, let's move on. E. Okay, after this, we will have a test. E is for
Elephant.
Yes, that's very good. A is for elephant. Okay, next, how about F?
F is for fish.
Yes, that's very good. So please do not forget what you have learned because we will start our lesson now, or that is our regular test. So have you tested it already with your last teacher, right? So what is that all about? Okay. So please wait in a minute because I will double check what test you have already done because I cannot see the template that admin give to me also. Wait, I will double check. Double check. Is this your regular test one? Wait. Regular test. Okay. Oh, so I think you will have test 2. Okay, done. So let's move on with our test 2, okay? Are you ready to have an exam? Please get your pencil and paper. Please get your pencil and paper. Okay, so when son, we will have to end first and then please come back again, okay? I will prepare for you.
Mommy,